Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post a resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a view in database. So before explaining the creation of view, I just want to show you a picture. So for example, I have a table called employee table, which has employee ID, last name, first name, address, city, and salary. Okay, so this table can be useful for HR. Whereas there is another department, say IT administration department, where they deal with hardware and IP addresses. So they too want the employee details. So what we can do is we can create a view by filtering only the columns that is required by the IT administration department. So this table is only for the HR finance department. Okay, so they don't want to disclose the salary column because it's very confidential. So salary column they don't want to disclose to any of the employees. So what we can do is we can create an employee view. What we can have is, so whatever the column that is required, we can create a view from this table. So this is the purpose of view. First of all, this is for security purpose. I don't want some of the columns to be displayed to any other department. So in that case, I want to create a view. So this is the first purpose, and it is read only. For security purpose, I don't want to give access to my table. So this table will be used only by HR team, and this view will be used by other departments. So let's see the demo how we can create a view. So I have a table called employee table with 10 employee records, and their salary is mentioned here. And let's see what is a view exactly. In SQL, a view is a virtual table. Please remember, it's a virtual table based on a result set of a SQL statement. So it's like a SQL statement. Whenever you make a select query on a view, it's like executing a SQL query and getting the records from the table. A view contains rows and columns just like the real table. The fields in a view are fields from one or more tables in the database. You can add SQL functions where join statements to view and present the data as if the data were coming from one single table. So you can do, it's like a real, it will act like a real table. So let's create a view for this employee table. So here I mentioned the syntax for creating a view is create view employee view. The name of the view is employee view. As select employee ID, I want first name, last name, employee description, address, and city. As I said, I don't want to disclose the salary column to anyone, so I'm going to exclude that. Okay, and this is from employee table. So I'm going to create a view. So I'm going to create a view now. Let's see whether yes, the view has been created. View always shows up the up-to-date data. The database engine recreates the data using views a SQL statement. Every time a user queries a view, so it's like every time it'll execute the query and get you the data. So we have created an employee view. Let's do a select from this employee view. Okay, so if you see this view, we don't have the salary column at all. Okay, so we don't have the salary column at all. So that's the purpose of a view. So whichever restricted column that you want, you can create in the view. So if you see here, salary column is not at all there, and it's read only. Okay, so this is the purpose of view. It's like a virtual table. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.